children. In today's class, we are going to study about the lesson Speak the Truth. Speak the Truth. So, in that, some new words are there. Excuse. Excuse means a reason that you to explain your mistake. And then patiently. Patiently means calmly. Admit. To accept that you made mistake. Console. To make someone feel better when they are feeling sad. So these are new words are come this lesson. So let us start the lesson. Santosh was a student of class 4th. His teacher gave him homework every day. Santosh usually reached home at 4 p.m. He would have his snacks and then do his homework. Santosh, he was a student of class 4th. He studied in 4th standard. His teacher gave him homework every day. His teacher gave homework in every day. The teacher gave homework every day for him. Santosh usually reached home at 4 p.m. The Santosh reached home at 4 p.m. He would have his snacks and then do his homework. He eat some snacks, then he do his homework. One day, Santosh returned from school. He was happy to see his cousin, Sandhya. She had come to play with him. One day, Santosh returned from school. He was happy. He was very happy because to see his cousin, Sandhya. Sandhya, she had come to play with him. She come to his house because she had come to play with him. Santosh played with Sandhya the whole evening. He forgot to do his homework. The next day, his teacher asked him, "Why haven't you done your homework?" Santosh played with Sandhya the whole evening. The whole evening, Sandhya and Santosh are played. He forgot to do his homework. He forgot that to do his homework. The next day, his teacher asked him. The next day, the teacher asked to him, "Why haven't you done your homework?" Why haven't you done your homework, Santosh? The teacher asked to Santosh. Santosh did not reply, but suddenly he thought of an excuse and said, "I had fever, madam." The teacher thought it was true and excused him. Santosh did not give reply to that question. The teacher asked to Santosh, "Why haven't you done your homework?" Is it? Yes, but Santosh did not give reply. But suddenly he thought of an excuse. Suddenly he thought of an excuse and said, "I had fever, madam. I had fever." The teacher thought it was true. The teacher thought it was true and excused him. Excused. And now Santosh felt very sad. During the lunch break, he sat alone under a tree. He did not eat his food. Now Santosh felt very sad. He feeling very sad. During the lunch break period, he sat alone under a tree. He sit alone under a tree during lunch period. So he did not eat his food. Suguna, Santosh's sister, was studying in the 7th standard in the same school. She saw her brother sitting alone and came to him. Why are you not eating? You are looking dull. What happened? What happened? She asked. Suguna, she is Santosh's sister, was studying in the 7th standard in the same school where Santosh studied. In that school, Suguna also studied in 7th standard. And she saw her brother sitting alone and came to him. She saw her brother. She saw her brother Santosh. He is sitting alone. He is sitting alone under a tree. Is it? Yes. And she came to him. She came to him and then asked to him, why are you not eating? Why are you not eating? You are looking dull. What happened? Why did you not eating? You looking very dull. What happened to you? She asked. Santosh kept quiet for some time and then started weeping. Santosh kept quiet for some time. He quiet some time and then started weeping. Weeping means crying. And Suguna waited for her brother to speak. Suguna waiting for her brother to speak because he was cried. Isn't it? Yes. Slowly Santosh started. Yesterday I played with Sandhya and forgot to do my homework. Santosh said that yesterday I played with Sandhya. Yesterday I played with Sandhya. That's why I forgot my homework. I forgot my homework. But I lied to my teacher. I lied to my teacher. Suguna listened to him patiently. Suguna listened to him patiently means very calmly. Very coolly she listened to him. Then she said, don't worry. Then Suguna said, don't worry. Get up. Let us go to your teacher. Admit your mistake before the teacher. Let us go to your teacher and admit your mistake before the teacher. You admit your mistake. You confess your mistake. Admit means to accept that your mistake before the teacher. The Suguna said to Santosh, yes, get up, go to your teacher and accept your mistake before the teacher. Then both Santosh and Suguna went to the teacher. Both brother and sister went to the teacher. The teacher asked, what do you want? The teacher surprised. Why they come? The teacher asked, what do you want? Suguna looked at Santosh. Suguna looked at her brother. Tears rolled down his cheeks. Already tears rolled down his cheeks. And the teacher asked Santosh. These are all. Observe his teacher. The teacher asked Santosh, what makes you weep? What makes you weep? Why are you crying? Teacher asked, why are you crying, Santosh? Santosh replied, Madam, I lied to you in the morning. Madam, I lied to you in the morning. I was not sick. I was not sick. I have not fever, madam. I lied to you in the morning. I was not sick. I played the whole evening and I did not do my homework. Please excuse me. I played the whole evening with his cousin and I did not do my homework. Please excuse me. Please excuse me, madam. Excuse means a reason that give to explain your mistake. The reason that give to explain your mistake. Here Santosh replied, Madam, I lied to you. In the morning I was not sick. I played the whole evening and I did not do my homework. Please excuse me. The teacher felt very happy. The teacher felt very happy for his line. She consoled him and said, she consoled means, here the teacher, console means to make someone feel better when they are feeling sad. Here Santosh feeling very sad, isn't it? Yes, the teacher consoled to Santosh to make someone feel better. Here Santosh make feel better. The teacher felt very happy. She consoled him and said, you have admitted your mistake. You have admitted your mistake. You have accepted your mistake. And now you have told the truth. Now you told the truth. You know? Yes. You already admit your mistake. You accept your mistake. And being truthful is always good. Being truthfulness is always good. The teacher said to Santosh. Understood? Yes.